again here to unbox another surprise. Here's the surprise which we are going to unbox today. It has 34 surprises. What are we waiting for? Let's unbox it! Let's open it. Hard. Got it out. And let's see what's inside. Ooh, this cardboard box. We'll get the box away. Let's open this cardboard box. Now let's open it. Oh, I see a purple shed. And now you said, wow, we got a purple shed. I think it's a TV. And the bedroom set. What are these little screws for? I think they're for building. We'll keep them aside. It's green and blue. Wow. What do we have here? And the last one. What are these? We got the instructions. I think these are stickers. And these are for the sides of the house, like this. So these are the things which we got to build the house. This is the base of the house. These are the sides of the house. This is the first floor base. Here is a door and 2 windows. The purple roof and 3 windows. And furniture to decorate the house. And the last, we have stickers to decorate. Stickers. Now let's build the house. We have to fix the house with the small screws. Step 1. We have to fix the sides onto the floor. Step 2. Front door and 2 windows. We have to fix these also with screws. Step 3. First floor base. We have to fix it with screws. 4. Fix the roof. Step 5. We have to keep this cardboard inside the house. And this one up. Now the dollhouse is almost ready. Now we'll fix the main door and windows. we have the main door. Two big windows and three small windows. Now we'll fix the small window. Now let's fix the second window. Now let's fix the third window. Now let's fix the main door and two big windows. Let's knock on the door. Knock knock. Who's inside? Nobody. Let's fix the window. Big window. Now let's fix another big window. Let's open the first floor furniture. We have a small sofa, a big sofa, one more small sofa, one green table, another small brown table. We have a clock and a chimney. We have a TV stand. We keep the TV sticker right here. We have a kitchen. Yeah, we have a kitchen. We have a fridge. This is the first floor set. The stickers which we are going to stick on the furniture. Let's arrange the furniture inside. Let's take the first floor items. So these are the furnitures which we got for the first floor. These four chairs go in the dining place. Let us stick all the stickers. The bathroom set, the kids room set, we have some partitions, master bedroom shed, and this is the garden frenzy. First, we'll arrange the partitions. Let's arrange the bathroom set. Let's arrange the kids' room items. We have arranged the kids' room. Let's arrange the master bedroom. This is the garden sticker. Let's stick it. We have to stick it right there. Let's arrange the garden fencing. Now the dollhouse is ready. Wow, this is the front view. And this is the inside view. Wow, it's so beautiful. Guys, hope you like my dollhouse and with the surprises. I hope every viewer likes my dollhouse and suggest another unboxing video which you like. If you like my dollhouse, press the like button and the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys!